What's up, y'all? It's Flux, back with more homebrewed beer and homebrewed beats. I just wanted to go ahead and talk about another Maschine expansion. This one's third party, but it loads up just like the first party Maschine expansions would. This is When Alien Drums Attack 2. Came out a little while back from Goldbaby. Goldbaby's known for doing some pretty awesome drums. He does a lot of cool stuff, like he'll take 808s and then run them through tape decks and all kinds of vintage gear. He tends to process his samples in a way that has a really nice warm sound to it. So I figured I would go through this expansion and just kind of show you what some of these sounds are all about. If you hear my dogs barking, that's what they do. They're dogs. Anyway, so I'm just going to run through a few of the kits and I'll show you what it's got to offer. Check it out. Oh, that's better than your beer. So, these kits also come with patterns, just like the regular Maschine expansions do. So what I've done is I've loaded it up with those patterns, just so you can kind of see what they're about. I don't really use the other patterns and stuff, pre-made patterns, very much, but a lot of people out there may use that stuff, so I figured I'd load it up so you can check them out.
This recording starts not with the onset of the first sound. No wolves, animating the harmonics.
I'm stopping on the 808 kick, so I wanted to tell you a little bit about this. Goldbaby, I gotta say, for all the 808 kits that I've heard, and he's done quite a few of them, his 808s are just awesome. They sound so good. They don't sound overdone. They don't sound overprocessed. They don't sound anything but like a really good 808 that has a really warm EQ to it. And the sounds all kind of blend together in a really nice way. So I gotta say, like, if you're into like 808s and that kind of sound, even if you're just using it to beef up your more vinyl style drums, his 808s are awesome. I gotta tell you. Now, in addition to just getting the kits that he sends you, there's also a lot more samples that were never mapped out into kits. So what I'm going to do now is I just have my browser set up where I'm looking at the samples of When Alien Drums Attack. let's go and check out some of the block sounds. Nice blocks. Bongo.
Click robots. Vom Hilfe.
So overall, lots of really interesting sounds in there. Not just drums, but lots of really weird hits in there as well to kind of tie it all together. So you can get, really funky with it, which needs to happen. Get your funk on. You know what I'm saying? Get it on. Other than that, I just wanted to show you what was up with When Alien Drums Attack. Tell you a little bit about it. It's by Goldbaby. Go check his stuff out. Pretty sure if you go to boomandbap.com, they probably have it up there too. But definitely worth peeping. Anyway, another little short video. I'm going to get back to some more beer. Because I can. Peace.